Ever pondered how you could mingle your love for food, technology, and the tranquility of working from home? Allow me to guide you on a journey to the universe of 86 Repairs, a groundbreaking platform that is transforming the landscape of the restaurant repairs and maintenance sector. As a brainchild of some of the industry's most innovative minds, 86 Repairs has been making headlines with its forward-thinking approach. At the heart of 86 Repairs lies a distinctive business model that ingeniously blends technology with the food industry. It's a unique configuration that's been meticulously crafted to offer a seamless and integrated solution for the ceaseless demands of repairs and maintenance. Yet, the brilliance of this platform extends beyond just its services. It reflects in the inspiring tapestry of its work culture and its diverse, inclusive workforce. A testament to the 21st century work ethos, 86 Repairs celebrates the concept of remote work, truly embodying the phrase "work from anywhere." This empowers individuals to balance their professional commitments with personal life, fostering a culture of trust, respect, and productivity. Furthermore, it's a pivotal moment to be part of this exciting journey. 86 Repairs is currently inviting talented individuals to join their vibrant team, with numerous job openings across various roles and disciplines. But that's not what we're here to discuss today. We're diving into the company's remote work culture, diversity, and current job openings. First, hear from some of the individuals who are living the 86 Repairs remote work experience. Jane, a customer success manager from the company, is an exemplary case. She says, "I love the flexibility 86 Repairs offers. It gives me the freedom to work from anywhere, at any time. I can balance my work and personal life without any compromise. I've been able to participate in my kids' routines more, like helping them with homework and attending their school events. This has significantly improved my quality of life." Mark, a software developer from 86 Repairs, echoes Jane's sentiments, but from a different angle. He shares, "With 86 Repairs, I'm part of a diverse team that values my input. We're from varied backgrounds, spread across different time zones, but we're united in our mission. This diversity brings with it a unique set of ideas and perspectives which add richness to our discussions. Despite the physical distance, technology keeps us connected and collaboration is seamless. We're able to work together effectively, breaking down cultural barriers and innovative solutions." The takeaways: 86 Repairs offers a flexible work environment, values diversity, and fosters a culture of collaboration. In essence, it's a company that's redefining the conventional workspace, proving that remote work can be equally effective, if not more. Now, for those of you who might be wondering, what job opportunities does 86 Repairs offer? Allow me to elaborate. If we talk about 86 Repairs job opportunities, the company opens up a wide array of possibilities in various domains. From roles in customer success to software development, the company is always seeking talented individuals who can contribute to their growing team. So, you're a budding customer success manager aiming to employ your communication skills and customer-centric approach, or a seasoned software developer seeking to code your way to problem solving. There's something for everyone. The company encourages those who share their vision of delivering top-notch service to their customers to join and be part of their journey. The company holds a strong commitment to diversity, which is a principle you can clearly see reflected in its hiring process. The team at 86 Repairs recognizes that diversity isn't merely a trend or a box to check off. They view it as a catalyst for creativity, innovation, and progress. They firmly believe that having a team composed of individuals with differing backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives is crucial to fostering innovation. 86 Repairs strives to create an inclusive environment where every team member feels valued and heard. They are committed to ensuring that all their employees bring their authentic selves to work, as this is what contributes to the company's overall success. To summarize, the opportunities at 86 Repairs are abundant, offering a diverse range of roles for those who align with their vision and values. 86 Repairs believes that a diverse workforce is key to innovation and success. In conclusion, 86 Repairs presents a unique blend of technology, food industry, and remote work. It provides a platform that ingeniously interlinks these diverse fields, creating an environment that is both flexible and conducive. The company's innovative approach to integrating these realms is what sets it apart from the competition. Working at 86 Repairs, you can expect to be part of a team that is as diverse as the industries it caters to. This diversity is not just limited to the skill sets, but extends to the cultural backgrounds, experiences that each team member brings to the table. This kaleidoscope of perspectives and ideas breeds creativity and innovation, offering a panorama of learning opportunities. What makes working at 86 Repairs even more appealing is the multitude of job opportunities it offers. Catering to a host of positions ranging from tech experts to food industry specialists, there has something for everyone. So, regardless of your area of interest or expertise, you're likely to find a position that suits you. Most notably, 86 Repairs is a champion of remote work. It offers the comfort of working from home and the freedom to your own schedule. This flexibility not only enhances productivity but also work-life balance. It allows you to work in an environment where you are most comfortable and productive. And remember, the future of work is not confined to an office space. It's wherever you are. It's wherever you can be productive. It's wherever you can make a difference. And that, dear viewers, is the essence of remote work at 86 Repairs.
Have a work story to share, or seeking the freedom of working from home? Your story matters, and it's time to share it with the world. Gone are the days of toxic work cultures and unrecognized efforts. Say hello to working where you're valued, right from the comfort of your home. From the challenges of traditional workplaces to the autonomy of remote work, your journey is powerful. Let's inspire change together. Don't stay silent. Reach out, share your story, and join a community eager to redefine work. Your voice is the beacon of hope for many. Are you a storyteller at heart, or someone who loves to dive into other people's experiences? Either way, we need you. We are calling all storytellers and story readers to join our mission. We are in a search for passionate individuals who can share and amplify the empowering work stories we have gathered. As a storyteller, you get to voice the experiences of many, paint their journey, and foster a connection with our audience. As a story reader, you get to dive into the sea of narratives, select the most powerful ones, and help us shape the future of work. This is more than a job, it's a movement. So, are you ready to inspire and be inspired? Take a step forward, and let's redefine the work narrative together.